everyone, I'm Ankita and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. In this video, we will be discussing e-commerce in a detailed way. In my previous video, I already explained what e-commerce actually means, and here I go again. Electronic commerce or e-commerce, sometimes written as e-commerce, is a business model that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. Small business owners are facing a new truth. The world has moved online. These days, consumers are no longer limited to sitting at desktop computers in order to research or send emails. We have all noticed it in public. People's noses are always in their screens. Now, let us begin with understanding some of the top reasons why every business owner must have an e-commerce website. Number 1. Attract new customers with search. The immediate value add of your site is attracting new customers. With e-commerce websites, this is done through a process called search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, that is SEO, is a process of affecting the online visibility of a website or a web page in the web search engine's unpaid results. Most shoppers are using search engine before they decide to buy. Showing up in search results has incredible value for any type of business, and having an e-commerce website is the first step to results. Number 2. Make money online. In all business, money is maths. The more places you offer your products, the more chances you have to make sales. That is pretty straightforward. Creating an online store opens up a whole new opportunity to generate revenue. Not only will you have the sales that your physical business creates, but you will also have this new area of your business that will be generating additional sales online. Number 3. Customer convenience. Small business owners know their focus cannot only rest on dollars and cents and rupees. Another reason to have an online e-commerce website is it will do wonders for your customer experience. There's incredible convenience afforded by your website. Customers can check necessary information like your store hours, phone number, or address, which helps drive in-person sales. Additionally, if customers are busy, move away, or can't get to buy from your store for another reason, the website provides the convenience of being able to shop from anywhere. Number 4. Increase hours of operation to 24/7. Your e-commerce website also allows customers to buy at any time. With an online store, customers can browse your products, check if a particular item is back in stock yet, and perform many other consumer processes even when your doors are closed and the lights are off at the end of the night. With the internet, you are always open for business. You might sleep, but your website and therefore your business never will. Number 5. New market acquisitions. When you take your business online, its reach expands. Your products can be seen and purchased by people all over. While with a traditional physical location, you are limited by time and space. Basically, an e-commerce website creates endless possibilities and new markets to explore and cultivate for new sales revenue opportunities. Number 6. Speed up business operations. Today, the most successfully businesses are able to combine the physical and the online shopping worlds into one multi-channel experience. Thus, when they arrive at the store, their item is ready. They have already paid online and they are out of the door. This can help them keep their queue times down and require less employee effort to complete the sale. Number 7. Reduce payroll. When you are able to speed up operations and move some of your sales to the online platform, you may also be able to scale back your payroll employments. With your online store shouldering some of the responsibilities that are typically handled by employees, the need for a larger staff diminishes. This allows you to have fewer employees on your payroll, which means your expenses will be lower and you'll turn more of your revenue into profits. Number 8. Data sync with POS system. One of the big fears of small business owners that have yet to make the transition to the online world is staying organized, particularly with their sales and inventory data. Operating a physical store is hard enough. The thought of adding more stress with online sales is enough to make any small business owner uneasy. Luckily, these fears are removed with a business has a proper POS system. With a POS system, a company can integrate point of sale with a website to sync its inventory and other data between a physical point of sale and online e-commerce website. Number 9. Allow customers to share orders online. Aside from search and new market acquisitions, the other way that businesses attract new online customers is through social media. Part of the consumer experience in the digital age is an opportunity for customers to share their favorite brands and recent product purchases via social media. With an e-commerce website, other consumers that see the social media posts of your customers have the opportunity to find your business and make purchases of their own. Number 10. Increase brand awareness. Between these social media mentions, gaining fresh customers through search and tapping into new online markets, the end results increased brand awareness. More people will be aware of your company and its products and will be interested in buying them. A successful e-commerce website can have a snowballing effect. As more people share and spread your site and its products, brand awareness grows exponentially, which means so do your sales. Let me discuss with you some of the most important features of an e-commerce website design. Number 1. Breadcrumbs. No, it's not about crumbled bread with seasoning. In e-commerce website development, a breadcrumb is a superior website navigation element. You can usually find breadcrumbs on e-commerce stores that have a large number of product categories categorized in a hierarchical manner. Breadcrumbs are a list of links indicating the location of the user within the site's hierarchy, separated by the symbol greater than. These effective visual aids don't just tell people where they are on your e-commerce store, but they also help Google work out how your site is structured. Breadcrumbs facilitate website navigation by making it simple for users to move between a product, catalog, categories, and home pages. Number 2. User-friendly menu. A user-friendly menu is one of the most crucial features of an e-commerce website design. Users usually expect a horizontal menu to appear across the top of the website and vertically down the left side. But even here you have options. Our customers usually choose between mega, dynamic or drop-down menu on their Magento websites. Number 5. High quality photos. E-commerce websites should display high quality, eye-catching photos optimized for page load. Just think, when you are shopping, would you purchase a product that looks poor? You may be selling the top quality products in your e-commerce store, but if the photos of the products look bad, people are unlikely to buy them. Number 6. Product catalog. Creating an information-rich product catalog is one of the main features of e-commerce websites and a major driver to customer conversion. A product catalog is a detailed document displaying a store's inventory. It usually includes product images and descriptions, delivery options, price, order fulfillment charges, the available quantity of SKUs, etc. How your catalog is organized significantly influences buying behavior. Products are generally organized into groups of categories depending on a business niche. For apparel and fashion, you might see some common categories as clothes, shoes, bags. For consumer electronics, you will find like laptops, wearables, mobile devices, and etc. Number 7. Product reviews. Reviews are creative e-commerce website design features that drive social proof and improve customer loyalty. About 88% of consumers trust online testimonials as much as personal recommendations. Depending on website functionality, e-commerce stores can apply modules from the most popular review platforms such as Yelp, Facebook, and Trustpilot. Encouraging customers to write feedback on the products gives your website credibility as it shows you have real paying customers. Now, let me discuss with you how we, Quality Zone Infotech, are the best e-commerce solution. Quality Zone Infotech is India's one of the leading well-recognized web development company. With 5 years of experience in IT business, we are hugely reckoned for our expert solutions and mind-blowing creativity in the construction of e-commerce websites. We have our clients ranging from small-scale business to large-scale in different sectors who prefer our web development services for production of large revenues and establishment of their brand image in the market. If you are having a startup business or desire a multi-department website, our team of PHP will help you to design the e-commerce site specially suited for your needs and size of your business operations. We specialize in web design, web development, e-commerce, WordPress, Drupal OpenCart, Magento OpenCart, SEO, and Xcart. Whether you are seeking to redesign your old looking website or revamp it with some additional modules, or yet if you are thinking of launching a new site, our unique e-commerce strategy, design, technology and internet marketing are made to put your business in the leading names of corporate. Starting from an idea, we reach to the construction of fascinating and innovative user interactive platform. Now, let me discuss with you our e-commerce website development packages. We at Quality Zone Infotech offer best plans for e-commerce website design and development. We know that every business needs an importance and we have developed fully customized unique website for our clients. We have more than 400 happy clients who have given us the platform to help them showcase their website. We feel proud when we get satisfactory reviews from our clients. Now let me discuss with you the 4 packages. Number 1, the basic package. In this package, the features that we offer are website design, web design revisions, 10 categories, 100 products, quick search, homepage slider, feature product, filter by price, product reviews, payment gateways, guest checkout, customer registration, 2 to 5 information pages, inventory management, social integration, contact form, email addresses, favicon, footer, 1-month maintenance, free chat, and many more. The second is the starter package. The features are website design, web design resolutions, unlimited categories, unlimited products, quick search, homepage slider, feature product, filter by price, product reviews, payment gateways, guest checkout, generate invoice, customer registration, 2 to 5 information pages, inventory management, social integration, contact form, email addresses, favicon, footer, free domain name for 1 year, free web hosting for 1 year, 2-month maintenance, free chat, and many more. The third package is the economy package, and the features are website design, web design revisions, unlimited categories, unlimited products, quick search, homepage slider, feature product, latest product, filter by price, product reviews, newsletter subscriber, payment gateway, guest checkout, generate invoice, customer registration, 2 to 5 information days, coupon codes, inventory management, social integration, contact form, email addresses, favicon, footer, free domain name for 1 year, free web hosting for 1 year, 3-month maintenance, and free chat. The last but not the least package is known as the business package. This package, the features are custom design, web design revisions, unlimited categories, unlimited products, quick search, homepage slider, new arrival collection, feature product, latest product, filter by price, product reviews, newsletter subscriber, payment gateway, guest checkout, generate invoice, monthly sales report, customer registration, 2 to 5 information pages, coupon codes, inventory management, social integration, contact form, email addresses, favicon, footer, blog, free domain name for 1 year, free web hosting for 1 year, 3-month maintenance, free chat, and many more. You can check out every details of our website packages on our website, and the link for the same is provided in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go head on to our website, check out all the services that we provide on e-commerce website development and get yours done. You can also connect with us on our other social media handles like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Feel free to reach out to us in case you have any query. Thank you for watching this video.